Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to create a bunny origami corner bookmarks. Materials we'll need is construction paper, a marker, glue stick, googly eyes, and a pair of scissors. To begin, we are going to fold it diagonally. Make sure that your paper is in the square cuts. And you can fold it down and sideways. That looks like an envelope. And fold this down, and that side up, and the other side up, and that becomes a square. And we just put the other side in there. Just like that. Oh, there you go. And it's time to make some teeth for our bunny. That's very cute. What's next? Of course, we need a pair of eyes for our bunny. The face is ready. What else do we need? Of course, we need the bunny ears. This activity is really good. It helps you to practice your fine motor skills by cutting the papers, and also your creative art skills to learn about how to make a rabbit. And then we will cut this out as well and tape it on top of the ears that we have cut earlier. And that's our bunny ears, and we just have to glue them onto our bookmark that we fold. What is missing? We have eyes, teeth, and ears. Yes, you got it right. We need a nose. Oh, that is so cute. There is our origami bunny bookmark. See? That's so neat. Enjoy, and you can make your own too. Thank you.